Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
Up first this evening, do not panic. The advice from one local expert to Jamaican students awaiting study visa appointments for the United States.
It follows the United States' pause on visa appointments for international students.
As we hear in this report, the University of West Indies is also intensifying strategies to recruit international students amid the uncertainties in the U.S.
Scores of Jamaican students are preparing to begin the next chapter of their educational journey in the United States in the upcoming academic year. We spoke to Sammy, not her real name, who got accepted into a top U.S. university. But with no interview date for her student visa, she's anxious.
You can't apply for the student visa until you get this document from the university that you'll be attending. So I was waiting on that document. It's called the I-20. I was waiting on it, and it came. I got it like after the ban, came into effect. So there was nothing I could have done about that. And I was like, well, what can I do? Just wait and see.
Now, it's a matter of waiting for further instructions from the United States government. It came after President Donald Trump issued an order to all U.S. embassies globally to stop scheduling visa interviews for foreign students while the government expands social media vetting for international students.
I was very nervous, and I was just like, oh my, there's so much happening right now in the news. Like, what does this mean for me? But I mean, the more I watch the news and hear stuff, and I'm like, okay, things will clear up with time. And that's all I can do. I realize there's no use stressing over something I can't control.
Founder and CEO of AIM Educational Services, Nicole McLaurin Campbell, has been advising students like Sammy as they navigate the challenges with U.S. student visas.
My reaction is just to gather the information and think about what next.
Her organization helps students achieve breakthrough SAT scores and gain admission to top universities worldwide. She stressed that now is not the time for students with U.S. admissions to panic.
Just staying in touch with the university, making sure have everything ready, I-20, proof of income to maintain yourself and the tuition, whatever the I-20 says you need to be able to afford. Just making sure that the minute that the system reopens, that you are in a position to just log on and secure your appointment immediately.
While prospective students for the 2026 cycle may be discouraged, Mrs. McLaurin Campbell said parents have to be strategic and keep their options open.
We have a two-part series. So one is this week to just decode and debrief what's going on in the US and just present the facts. And I think it's really important when you have facts so you can plan strategically, right? And then next week, we're going to look at the global options. Hong Kong just came out yesterday saying, look, we're welcoming international students. Here are our options. So we also expect, Kelisha, that other countries are ready to take advantage of this opportunity.
And this also presents an opportunity for local universities like the University of the West Indies. UA's campus registrar, Dr. Donovan Stanbury, told TVJ News that the university is already intensifying its recruitment strategies to attract more local students. It must be noted that since COVID-19, the number of enrolled students at UA have dipped from over 18,000 to over 15,000 annually, mostly because some students did not return after COVID.
I know among those people at this time, they might have misgivings, and we are saying to them, we are right here, and we are as good as any university anywhere else, being in the top 5%.
Dr. Stanbury explained that while the university has been increasingly targeting international students over the past 3 years, the latest development in the United States has also influenced their approach.
The strategy has to be agile enough to respond to things that emerge like this, out of Africa, out of the Indian subcontinent, and elsewhere, we look overseas for studies. Again, we are inserting ourselves in that market.